Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial video. Now, today is going to be a tricky one. We want to do calculation across different sheets. Like I said in my very first video, understanding the Excel user interface, a workbook is made up of several different worksheets. As you can see, this is my YouTube tutorial video is a workbook. That's the name of my workbook. And as you can see, this sales is my worksheet one. Let me click on it. This is my worksheet one. This is where we calculated total shipping cost, total order. This is how we learned how to use plus minus function in Excel. Then this is my 2023 sales summary for different account manager. This is where we used auto sum, average, mean, max function. Then the same applies to 2024 sales summary. This 2024 sales summary. Then I want to compile the value I have from 2023 to my 2024. So this is 2023 sales summary. I want to get the total sales for 2023. I want to get the total sales for 2024. I want to calculate the total sales of these two, and then I want to calculate the total commission on 2023 and 2024. And to do that, I have to pull out value from sheet 2023 and sheet 2024. I'm going to teach you how to pull out value from each of these sheets without redoing the calculation again or imputing the value. So this is what I call calculation across sheets. Now let's go back to my compile sheet. To do this, for example, if I have something like figure 4 here in I3, and I want this number 4 in this my I3 to appear in B4. This is I3. I want this figure in I3 here to apply in B4. The easiest way to do it is just to do equal to, go to this place, click on it, enter. As you can see, this figure here has applied here, but you just have the dollar sign because this column has been formatted to be in currency and this is still in general. Okay, so that's why the dollar sign came with it. No, this simple thing here, I'm going to apply here so you see how you can improve the total value of manager matter from 2023 sales sheet. So to do that, I'll just click equal to. Please listen carefully right now. You click an equal to sign, go to sales sheet 2023, click on it, go to the total value of matter, click on it, click enter. Very easy. It has brought out the total 2023 sales for manager matter. You do the same thing for her 2024 sales total. Click on equal to, go to 2024, click on it, click on the total for matter, click enter. Have you seen it? This has brought out the total value of matter sales in 2024. As you can see it, F4 2024, and this is F3. This is the sheet, to tell you the sheet where he pulled up this from. He told you F4 from sheet 2024. This is telling you F4 from sheet 2024. This F4 from sheet 2023. Okay, then to apply it for the rest, you just use a fill handle, drag it down. Here you use a fill handle, drag it down. As you can see, each of these values have been pulled from sheet 2024. Then to calculate this, you just do equal to, use the auto sum function, enter. If you have not learned how to use auto sum, I dropped a video on how to use auto sum, so you have to learn it. Use my fill handle, drag it down. I've calculated the total sales. Now to calculate the total commission, this can be a little bit trickish now, so I want you to pay very good attention because I'm going to summon the total commission that matter got in 2023 and the total commission that matter got in 2024 in a single cell sheet. So I'm not pulling it different commission 2023, commission 2024 here and total. No, I'm not going to do it. I want to calculate it. I want to calculate it in a single cell sheet. I don't know if I'm being too fast. So to calculate the total commission now, instead of pulling it individually, like I pulled it here, I did a sales 2023, I did sale 2024, and I now summed it. You can calculate this total sale without doing it individually. So I'm going to do it here. Instead of doing the commission 2023, commission 2024, I'm not calculating total commission. I can actually do the total. I can actually do the calculation here at once. So to do it, I'm going to do an equal to sign. Then I'll go to 2023. I'll go to the commission symbol. Please be watching on this status bar. This status bar will show you what I'm doing. it is telling you now that I'm in sheet 2023. So I'll click on commission there, and then please don't click on anything. Once you click on commission, you click on your plus sign, you go straight to 2024, you go to commission, click on it, and there and then click enter. Please, if you don't understand what I do, recap this video and watch it again. Any single mistake, if you click anywhere on the spreadsheet, you've destroyed what you're doing. Okay, I don't know, let me do it again. Come here, click on equal to, go to 2023. Sorry, I think I clicked on something now. I clicked on something, so you have to be careful. Click on equal to, go to 2023. Be careful with your cursor. Click on the commission from 2023, then there and then click plus, click on 2024, click on commission, then click enter immediately. As you can see, it's telling me value from J4 sheet 2023 plus value from J4 sheet 2024. And to do the rest, I have to just use my fill handle. As you can see, it has calculated everything. This is how to do calculation across the sheet. Now, instead of pulling this value individual, I can actually recalculate the total sales value. Let me do it somewhere here. To calculate the total sales value, I'll just come here, equal to, go to 2023, click on the total sales, click on plus, go to 2024, click on the total sale, click on enter. As you can see, this value here is same as this value here. So instead of pulling it individually, you can actually do outrightly the calculation here, just as I did for the commission range. That'll be all for now, guys. I hope you learned it, and if you find it difficult, you can always recap this video. You can always watch this video. See you guys. Bye.